In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Microsoft Copilot Pro in Excel. Before we begin, make sure you have an eligible Microsoft 365 subscription that includes Copilot access. It's also important that you're signed into Excel using the same Microsoft account tied to that subscription. If the account doesn't match, Copilot may not appear even if you already have access. So this is a good first thing to confirm. Once that's ready, open the Excel desktop app. If Excel asks you to sign in, go ahead and complete that step before moving on. Using the desktop version is important here because the menu options we'll use are found in the Excel application itself. Next, either create a new workbook or open an existing one. It doesn't really matter which, since this process is about changing the Excel interface rather than editing spreadsheet content. The goal is simply to get into a workbook so the ribbon options are available. Now, look at the ribbon at the top of Excel. Right-click anywhere on that ribbon area and then choose Customize the ribbon. This will open a settings window where you can control which commands and sections appear in Excel's top menu. In that window, find the drop-down labeled Choose Commands From. Click it and select Main tabs. This makes it easier to work with the standard ribbon sections that most people use every day. After that, look through the Main tabs area and click Home to expand it. Inside Home, select Assistance, then click Add. This step places the Copilot related control into the Home tab so it becomes visible directly from the ribbon. Once you've added it, click OK to save your changes and close the window. After the settings window closes, return to the Home tab in Excel. You should now see the Copilot icon on the ribbon. When you click it, a Copilot chat panel will open on the right side of the screen. From there, you can start using Copilot inside Excel to help with tasks, questions, and spreadsheet assistance. If you don't see the icon right away, double-check that you're signed in with the correct Microsoft account and that your subscription includes Copilot access. In many cases, that's the key detail that makes everything work smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Microsoft Copilot Pro in Excel.